You can get professional solutions, analytics, and data science without the cost and commitment and complexity of building an internal team. Hiring that team, hiring that person, managing that team or person, building out the capacity you need, and making sure that your team is growing as well. United InfoLytics is here to help you with your information tools, your analytics, and your data science needs all in one place. It turns out that fairly often these are siloed. You might have analytics people, okay, and they say, yeah, we're great at dashboards. We'll build you a data warehouse. We'll turn the data into insights for you. But they don't really want to think about how the data is gathered, and they won't build an app or help you customize your apps in order to get the data you need. And so they say, well, that's for your custom app developer, or that's for your spreadsheet team. Similarly, the people that you have designing spreadsheets, building custom apps, for them, a dashboard is often an afterthought. They build the spreadsheet, they build the app, and the dashboard will probably either be specific to a small area of what you do, or it'll just be kind of an afterthought. It'll be a basic dashboard that doesn't give you the full level of insights you need. Also, a totally separate thing from information tools and analytics, but related, is data science. And data science is applied data science, machine learning, AI, automation, predictive analytics that's going to help you work smarter, not harder. It's not just about getting the insights, it's about automating those insights so you can prioritize the things that you should be working on. If you've got 100 sales contacts, it'd be nice to know which 5 to 10 are most likely to convert. And that's where AI and machine learning can help you. It's a third discipline, and it turns out that you might find that your data scientist can't build a dashboard and certainly can't do a custom app. We'll do all of them in one place for you. The way we approach this is we're going to handle half of this equation of this virtuous cycle of taking data and turning it into insights, turning it into operational systems and strategies, and then building out apps that match those strategies. So here's how this virtuous data cycle often works. You've got a system and strategy. You need help maybe building an app or a really amazing spreadsheet, what we call like a powerful spreadsheet that has all the almost basic things that would almost make it into an app. Whether it's an app or a spreadsheet, you need help building it out to match your systems and strategies. And then we're going to help you. Once that's done, we're going to get you great dashboards and analytics. This is where you and your team come in. You can look at that dashboard and those analytics, and you're going to make better insights and decisions because you had the help you needed to decide on those things. On the operations, systems, and strategy side, once you've got insights and decisions, those feed back into making new strategies, new systems. And this kind of goes around in a circle where if you have the right insights and decisions, you're going to be reevaluating your systems and strategies. And every time you do that, you might need a slight tweak to your custom tools. And so we'll help you with this half. You take your industry knowledge of the thing that you're trying to do, and we'll make you as effective as we possibly can. There's sort of 3 levels of engagement that we work on. We can work on discrete projects. We love doing that, helping you tackle one big project that feels impossible with your current team, but also you don't need an internal team, or you don't need another full-time employee. You may have an internal spreadsheet person, you may have an internal data person, but there's something that they want to pull off, that you want to pull off, that you're going to need help getting jump started. We'd love to help you with that discrete project. We also really enjoy the ongoing partnership of, flexible but ongoing relationship where we are your data people, we are your analytics people, and your custom solution people. You can come to us with a roadmap, or you can let us help you define that roadmap, and we're going to execute on it together. This is sort of going back 2 slides. This is sort of, let's look at where you are right now. You've got a decent spreadsheet, but you want a custom app. You don't have a dashboard at all. Let's define the roadmap, and then let's just kind of iteratively move you forward. And this can kind of scale up or down from month to month. And the goal is, let's make your customers happy. Let's make your stakeholders happy. Let's make your employees happy, because we're constantly improving your systems and giving you as a leader the analytics you need to make the right decisions. The third and the most powerful level of engagement that we offer is sort of a fractional teammate arrangement. And this is the same as the ongoing partnership, but in this way, it feels like you have a fractional teammate, like a zero point 0.4 FTE, a 2-day a week employee that's part of your team, but they're really actually working 2 to 3 hours a day. They're available on a daily basis. You can go to them, and they're available via phone and video. So, essentially, Nate and I work together at United InfoLytics to provide this fractional service to you, and you'll have Nate or my phone number, depending on which one of us is your primary contact, and and you can set up a Slack huddle with us where you click a button and we'll be there. If we're not busy, we'll be there in 5 seconds to help you talk through something. This is sort of like having us down the hall, but instead it's having us available, all three parts of this, the analytics, the custom apps, and the data science, available at a fractional rate. You don't need 3 full-time people to do those 3 things. You might need the combination of 0.4 FTE to get it all done and get it done well. Here's some engagement examples of things that we've done at this level before. On the Discrete project side, we've helped a retail franchisor look at their existing sites, develop a machine learning model to predict revenue at future hypothetical sites. So then they were able to break ground confidently, knowing the factors that most impact the predicted revenue of a potential new site. We've also helped a healthcare consulting group make data dashboards, continually improve those dashboards and tools to make their healthcare clients more efficient and to make healthcare more affordable. And also, we're working with a charter school in sort of a fractional teammate relationship where we're very embedded in their day-to-day operations. They're texting us, they're calling us, we're picking up, and we're almost no different from just being down the hall in terms of providing them what they need with both entry level, just like data management stuff, but also custom apps, building those custom apps and the data science that they may need to do predictive analytics or AI down the road. What we're trying to do is we're trying to make sure that we provide experience. We're providing a one-stop solution so you don't have to hire 3 different people or find 3 different outsourcing relationships. We're also making sure that you don't have to hire, because hiring tech people is complex. And if you can't do it yourself, it's really hard to hire, manage, coach that person, and so you're either hiring an entry-level person and hoping they're a gem, realizing also that they'll be gone in 1 to 2 years if they're really good and they know they can move their career on, or you'll find an entry level person that's not meeting your needs and they're gonna need coaching that you can't provide. We would love to partner with you, and even if you don't think that we're the right match, watch some of our other videos to try to figure out where are you in your internal progression of building out a comprehensive information, data, and analytics solution for your team and for your purpose. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us if you want to talk a little bit about opportunities to collaborate. And we just hope that you embrace the opportunities that the modern world is providing for you to work smarter and not harder.